Do you ever wonder what opportunities your life gives you? All the adventures, beautiful and crazy things that you can do. The traveling and goals that you have yet to accomplish. I am Alex Wright, and this is my journey.
What is up, everyone? My name is Alex Wright. Welcome back to my channel. And as some of you know or may not know, I already moved to a new apartment with my boyfriend, and this is a plain wall that we've got over here. That means I'm gonna change it completely. And right now I'm doing the India mandala once again, and this is a sketch for mandala. I'm gonna start doing the sketch in pencil right now and then move into color. But this is the mandala. Hopefully you guys can see it. This is how the pattern looks itself, and I used like blue tones for it, but we're doing oranges, yellow, gold, green, something like this, but this is gonna be the pattern itself. So let's start.
To start off, we're drawing the sketch with pencil.
Помнишь вначале, ты пришла при параде, да, в красивом наряде. Но покажи мне больше своих игр страсти. Дай мне больше счастья в твоем нежном взгляде.
As you saw, I got a little interrupted, but anyway, keep drawing that sketch.
Гвоздь!
Краска аккуратнее, там все, видишь, как рука черная, я чернее.
Now I'm mixing the paint for coloring the mandala. Finally. All you have to do now is just color as you wish, following the sketch. To be honest, guys, I started this painting in October, and right now it's already March and I still haven't finished it because it takes so long to do everything precisely, in very great detail, and to outline everything. As you can see, I've used a thinner brush for an outline and thicker for the fill. So the colors that we used were orange, yellow, green, gold, and also black for the outline.